Yeah, you heard it right. Let's go. Yeah, but the question is go where? Saan? Hi kay paring Justin Rice na nakatune in na naman. Laging nakatune in si paring Justin Rice. Ha? Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate that. Maraming salamat Justin Rice. All the way from Bahrain. Oh, sa Bahrain pa nakikinig. Layo ah. It's like halfway around the world ba ang Bahrain? It's in the Middle East, right? Bahrain ang may pinakamalaking value ng versus the peso ha. Sila Bahrain ang pinakamalaking exchange yata if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy sa mga latest news and updates, mga kaganapan, mga announcements, invites muna coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Kanina binanggit ko ha, since may running event na magaganap, big running event on February 14. Ito naman, yung related doon, Running Club Meetup at SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Join us for week number 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown's Running Club Meetup and keep the momentum going. Registration is free. Download the SM Malls online app and register today. January 21. Uy, bukas na to, ha? Bukas na. Tomorrow. January 21, 6 p.m. Level 7, roof deck. Tag your running buddy. And see you all at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Yan. So kung may club kayo or wala, pwede kayong jumoin dito. Punta lang kayo at SM Downtown. Tomorrow, 6 p.m. Okay? The Running Club Meetup. Mga mahilig sa running. A lot of people is into running now, Okay? Lucky Feels this February, SM Supermalls brings together two of the most joyful occasions of the season, Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. O, dalawa nga naman for February, okay? For a month-long celebration that's all about love, luck, and unforgettable experiences, welcome the Year of the Horse with festive finds, romantic moments, and prosperity-filled activities designed to make every visit extra meaningful. Discover love and luck at the Lucky Feels Bazaar, February 1 to 28. The Lucky Feels installations, February 1 to 28. Shop, snack, and play at Bites and Buys, February 1 to 28 as well, okay? All month or all days of February, that is. Capture and snap the Lucky Feels, February 1 to 28. Taste and trend with CNY or Chinese New Year, hashtag CNY must try, February 16 to 28, okay? Feel the festive energy as Dragon and Lion dance performances led by a charming Dragon and Lion bring moments and music to the mall on February 17 and 20 to 22, okay? Meaning February 17 tsaka February 20, 21, and 22, all right? Lucky Feels, SM. Ogawa, Philippines. Make way for new habits and pump up your performance this 2026. The Master Drive IQ2 is built with AI technology and smart body scan system that can read your fatigue levels and recommend a perfect massage program to amplify your energy throughout the day. Ogawa, located at level 3 SM City Olongapo Central. Conti's New Year, lighter choices, same delightful flavors. Welcome 2026 with fresh, satisfying salads that make healthy eating feel easy and enjoyable. Make your fresh start delicious. Visit Conti's ground level SM City Olongapo Central. Ideal Vision, 40 years of caring for your vision. And for January, officially kicks off the 40th anniversary with deals made to celebrate you. All right, enjoy 40 pesos frames and up to 40% off on selected frames, lenses, and sunglasses as we mark our 4 decades of clearer sight and greater confidence. January 1 to 31. Visit any Ideal Vision, SM City Central and Downtown. Ideal Vision's 40-40. 40-40, that is. Okay. Wingyard Unlimited Wings. Gather the squad and wing it at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Unlimited chicken wings, unlimited rice, and super delicious flavors you'll keep coming back for. Perfect for barkada or family or anyone craving for some serious comfort food. Level 2 SM Downtown. Wingyard. And home refresh sale from Our Home. It's from January 1 to Feb 1, up to 80% off. Okay, on mattresses. 70% off furnitures and accessories, linens and carpets, all on sale up to 70% off. 0% installment for 3 to 24 months. Okay? Our Home, Level 3, SM City, Olongapo Central. And the Sandwich Guy is open to serve you the world's first hexagon sandwich. Now open at the level 4 of SM City, Olongapo Central. No need to look any further for your fast and fresh sandwich fix. Visit them located at the level 4 near SM Cinema and grab yours today. And the Snooze Nook. Visit the Snooze Nook at the level 3 of SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Kung medyo napagod ka mag-shopping, gusto mo mag-relax ng konti. Massage chairs and relaxation chairs at the Snooze Nook, level 3, SM City, Olongapo Downtown. You guys check it out, okay? And Pill Kids now open at SM City, Olongapo Downtown, okay? So check it out. Playground for your cute kids. See you there at the Pill Kids Playground. Now open at SM City, Olongapo Downtown. So those are the invites for you. Coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central and SM City, Olongapo Downtown. And those who are looking for jobs this time, check out the job openings at Future Link Incorporated. May bagong post na naman, oh. May bagong opening na naman. We are hiring production operators. And here's the best thing, this is immediate. Apply now. Kung gusto mong may trabaho ka na kagad, eto na. And yung requirement lang, at least high school graduate or K-12 graduate, pwede na. Alright, production operators, hindi sila mahigpit no? Yeah, sa requirements, sa na-accomplish mo. Talagang trabaho ang importante, no? Na maibigay sa inyo, no? Production operators, and if you're interested, okay, mamaya na address. Yung ipa muna. Bukod sa production operators, also hiring dismantlers. Okay? For disassembly of end-of-life electronics, no experience needed. Overtime guaranteed. Di ba? Okay, so yan. Production workers. Meron pang production operators. Iba pa to. And dismantlers. Yan, okay? And also, skilled sewing machine operator or sewers. Mananahi. Sewers ba? Sewers. Sewers, ano yun kanal yun no? Sewers. Even though it spells S-E, no? Kasi sewing machine Okay. So, this is from Future Link Incorporated. And aside from that, they are also hiring an HR assistant. Yeah, they're looking for HR assistant. For the HR assistant opening, syempre may ano yan may requirement, di ba? Male or female, okay lang, no? Human resource graduate, multitasker, and syempre good attitude. HR nga, di ba? Urgent hiring din to, ha? Ang HR assistant or HR officer pala, sorry. Yeah, okay. Also forklift operator, kailangan din sa Future Link Incorporated. Just visit their official Facebook page. Look it up, Future. Yan, hinaharap, Future Link Incorporated. All right, those are the job openings from there. And this time no, job openings from posted by the SBMA Labor Department. First United Travel Inc. is looking for a branch manager as well as reservation staff. Okay. Again, that's for the company First United Travel Inc. The deadline for this is January 30, 2026. Dashan Shoes, Dashan Subic Shoes Incorporated is looking for a company driver, housekeeping staff, and technician. All right, January 30 is the deadline. Also for Dashan Shoes pa rin, industrial engineering staff, business planning staff, safety officer 3, company nurse, company physician, Production operator, ang dami ha. Warehouse staff, warehouse loader, material control staff for Dash and Shoes. All of them ends January 30, so you guys hurry. All right? Malapit na, dalian nyo na. Okay? Tokiwa Subic Corporation is looking for a planning staff member. Also production monitoring staff. Tokiwa Subic Corporation. Deadline is on January 30, 2026. Next up, Buchan. Train to Buchan. Buchan Global Services Corporation. Alam niyo, napanood ko yun yung Train to Buchan. Di ba may ano yun, may subtitle kasi it's in Korean, no? O, yung Pilipinong gumawa ng subtitle, may pagkaroko-roko din, no? Alam niyo nilagay sa subtitle, imbis na Train to Buchan, ang nilagay Train to Tutuban. Tutuban is in saan nga ba yung Tutuban? Malapit ba yun sa Sa yung maraming bilihan. Basta yun na yun. Buchan Global Services Corporation is looking for a janitorial staff, HR, accounting staff, admin staff. Yan. Okay, so those are the job openings for Buchan. Train to Buchan. January 26 is the deadline. So you guys better hurry, ha? Bilisan nyo mag-apply. And how to apply? Pwede nyong dalhin yung resume ninyo sa receiving section. Ang SBMA Labor Department, merong receiving section at the front of the Subic Gym. Yung sa harap ng Subic Gym, no? Yung maliit na window doon. Yung window, maliit ba yung window? Medyo malaki naman. Yeah, okay. You can drop it there. We have staff there from the Labor Department that accepts the application forms, huh? Okay? And aside from that, you may visit the official Facebook page of SBMA Labor Department. Just look it up. SBMA Labor Department. Nakapost doon yung mga job openings po, ano? And here's the cool thing. Sa bawat job openings na nakapost, makikita nyo, may QR code na nakapost na pwede nyong i-scan. Pag in-scan ninyo, it will take you to the details of the company you're applying for, tsaka yung job opening na available, plus a form na pipil-upan nyo. Okay? Parang nag-a-apply na kagad kayo, rekta na, via online. O, di ba? How awesome is that? How cool is that, huh? Scan nyo yung QR code na nasa job opening sa announcement sa SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. And then that's it. Application na. Apply na agad, di ba? And more from the SBMA, the Saturday recycling schedule. The last Saturday schedule for January is on January 24 at QB, at the vacant lot beside the Old PX Club. Yan, yung mga gustong mag-donate, ha? This is for a good cause, no? Yung donation ng recyclables ninyo. Yung mga recyclable waste, pwede yung dalhin doon. Used beverage cartons, PET bottles, glass bottles, paper, sachet. Yung mga sachet, pinaglagyan. Mga plastic, tsaka may aluminum lining, no? Online shopping, packaging, di ba? Di ba kami rin eh. Confession kami rin eh. Naiipon na yung mga packaging materials ng online shopping eh. Oh. Order ng order. Oh, si Mahal masyadong masipag mag-order. Minsan sa sobrang sipag namin mag-order, biglang may darating. Nalilito na kami. Nung narinig ko nung isang araw may dumating na na in-order online. Sabi niya gano'n, no? Ha? Hala? Ba't dumating ka? Nasa add to cart ka lang, ha? Hindi ka pa chine-check out, ha? Sabi niya dun sa order na dumating. Ba't dumating ka? Add to cart ka lang, ha? O yan, online shopping packaging. Single-use plastics, yung mga plastics na for disposal na. Aluminum cans, okay? Even used clothing. Kung yung mga damit mo sa bahay, medyo may sira-sira na or hindi man sira, pero ang tagal mo nang hindi ginagamit, naku, i-donate mo na. Kaya there's a reason di mo na nagagamit, di mo na kailangan. Used shoes, mga gamit na shoes, kung sira na rin or hindi mo na nagagamit, i-donate mo na rin. Di ba? Mas mabuting ma-recycle yung mga yan. Used rubber slippers, used tarpaulins, yung may mga nakasabit-sabit dati sa wall na tinanggal mo na, pero ayaw pa itapon. Dali mo na for recycling, no? Okay? So again, January 24, QB tayo ha, this coming Saturday. Vacant lot beside the Old PX Club. May Toy Kingdom dati dyan yung PX Club eh. I used to work for PX. For inquiries, please call the SBMA Ecology Center 2524-416, 2524-321, and 2524-059. Ayan. So that's the announcement. Saturday recycling schedule via the SBMA Ecology Center. Okay? And another piece of news from the Olongapo City Info Center. Ayan. Sa syudad ng Olongapo natin, of course, isinagawa ang first quarter joint meeting ng City Peace and Order Council at saka City Anti-Drug Abuse Council sa Olongapo City Civic Center just today. Kanina lang to, no? January 20. Pinangunahan ito ni na Mayor Attorney Roland Paulino Jr., katuwang si Vice Mayor Kay Ann Legaspi bilang mga tagapangulo ng parehong konseho, kasama ang mga kinatawan mula sa iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan, kapulisan, barangay at civil society organizations. Layunin ng pagpupulong na palakasin ang mga hakbang para sa kapayapaan, kaayusan at kampanya kontra illegal na droga sa lungsod. Tinalakay rin ang mga kasalukuyang issue, updates at mga planong aksyon upang masiguro ang isang mas ligtas na pamayanan para sa lahat ng Olongapeño sa ilalim ng mas pinatibay na ugnayan ng CPOC at CADAC. Yan yung binanggit ko kanina, yung City Peace and Order Council tsaka City Anti-Drug Abuse Council, CPOC and CADAC. Nananatiling matatag ang paninindigan ng lungsod laban sa krimen, karahasan at paggamit ng ibinagbabawal na gamot. Huwag niyong subukan. Huwag niyong subukan. Sabi ni dating PRRD. No? Huwag niyong subukan. Sabi naman ni Erap, same address in Malacanang. Alaeng. Sumagot si Leo Martinez, alaeng, kung cola ang gusto, pap ang sa iyaw. Alaeng, Radyo Bandera Are, 107.1, News FM, Olongapo City. Yeah, I used to do voice hindi lang ako DJ eh. Hindi lang ako wedding singer, hindi lang singer, hindi lang dancer, hindi lang DJ, hindi lang host MC sa mga events. Voice talent din ako, kaya I do commercials, radio commercials. Yan. Dati may mga pagkakataon kinailangan yung mga voice actors, di ba? Or impersonators. Yan yung mga in-impersonate ko noon. Leo Martinez, Erap, trinay ko rin si PRRD, medyo nahirapan ako no? Tapos sa mga cartoon characters or TV characters si Pong Pagong ng Batibot. Naalala niyo pa si Pong Pagong? Wee, Kuya Boji. Tsaka si Kiko Machi. Ate Shena! Nasaan ang saging ko? Tsaka Ate Ningning. Ano ka ba, Gingging? Si Ningning tsaka si Gingging. Batibot din niya. Yung younger generation, hindi na kilala kung sino yung mga nasa Batibot. No? Hindi na alam kung ano ang Batibot. No? Yan yung Philippine equivalent ng Sesame Street. Sa Sesame Street naman ang kaya kong gayahin si Bert. Hindi. Si Ernie pala, si Ernie. Si Bert and Ernie na. Trinay ko. Diba? Sabi ng isa, how's it going, Bert? Ernie, where did you put the ice, Ernie? Kaya lang minsan si Bert ko parang naging si Lola Chuchi eh. Tsaka yung si Martian. Kilala niyo si Martian ng yung kontrapelo ni he's part of the Space Jam sa Bugs Bunny cartoons. Yun, okay. Ano nga ba yung tawag sa cartoon nila? Ang tanda ko na, nakalimutan ko na Sila Bugs Bunny, sila Martian, si Porky Pig. Yun. I will hug him, I will cuddle him, and call him George. The Abominable Snowman. Yep. What's up, Doc? Yan ha. So, if you're in need of somebody to do voice characters, voice talented, I'm here. Kaya rin natin yan. Nakakatuwa. Napaka-talented ko. Ganun talaga pag talented ka. pagkakaisahan ka na matanggal sa isang Kasi hindi nila kaya yung mga ginagawa mo eh. Inggit kayo, ano. Yun lang yun eh. Tapos, ano, binubuking ko pa yung pagnanakaw. Tapos, nagsumbong sila sa ano, minanipulate eh, no? Sinabi yung mga bagay tungkol sa akin na hindi naman totoo. Hindi sinabi sila pala yung nagnanakaw. That's enough. That's it for me. Maraming salamat. Thank you for joining me. Thank you guys. Yung mga nasa live stream ngayon, maraming salamat Kuya Justin Rice. Ayan, okay. Si Kuya Jepro Julian. Ayan, maraming salamat. Alright. Thank you for joining me. And pati na rin, who else do I gotta greet? Tingnan ko nga. Baka may nakalimutan ako. Silipin ko lang po ha. Yeah, ito na. Okay, ito yung ating ano, mga dapat, wag natin batiin. Hindi ako nang babati eh. I-ano lang, i-greet lang natin. Ayan, si Kuya Edwin Bagang. Yan, and Roderick Diaz. Si Edwin Bagang, ano yan, sa mga hindi nakakalam, yan din si DJ Cyberbugs. Na sobrang gwapo. Pogi na, nauutang ba? Si Roderick Diaz, thank you for tuning in. Maraming salamat. Tsaka yung mga iba pang nasa live. Naku, hindi ko na mabasa. Ang dami, no? Oh, thank you po for tuning in. And that's it for me. And gonna be playing my final song for you guys. Here's Jimmy Harnan. This one's from 1989. Long time ago. Ilan taon ba ako no? 1989. 16? I don't know. Hindi. Wala pa. Ano lang, mali yung bilang ko. 83, 84, 85. Oo nga, 16. Tama pala. Jimmy Harnan with the song, Where Are You Now? With the song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Good night, people. Bye-bye.